A clear uptrend establishes to immediately provide points for an initial fib extension after the IPO. The trend in the first month is quite stable, and it is best to use the longest base trend possible during that period before the greater frequency in sharp price fluctuations starting in June. Fib projections using the same base trends provide similar results. Similar to the fib extensions, the projections are quite compressed due to the narrow, stable base trend ranges available after the IPO. As usual, it is helpful to limit the number of additional levels or simply not select any additional levels in between the default levels. The sharp long-term reversal and retracement provide familiar conditions suitable for a fib extension. The initial moderate upswing starting the recovery and its sizable retracement are excellent features to accommodate the steep acceleration towards mid-2020 and subsequent moderate corrections. However, it is once again helpful to reduce the number of additional extension levels to reduce clutter on the chart. A fib projection produces similar results and also crowds the chart with too many additional levels selected. An alternative is to draw a regular fib retracement to capture retracements at the end of the large downtrend and the start of the new uptrend. The projection levels are spaced further apart to generally capture the more significant downswings that oppose the uptrend later. This reduced clutter from compressed fib levels and naturally reduced precision, with fib levels missing smaller swing points. The application of a large fib retracement capturing the entire downtrend range produces another example where retracement and projection levels tend to group closer together at areas that can present greater opposition to a trend.